What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. I'm out here in the lettuce field. So, welcome to my channel. If you're new to gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, I love you. Thanks for being here. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Share the video, leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle, okay? Okay! So, hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. I was off today. I got some much needed rest, so excuse me. I'm not too long waking up, you guys. Yes, we're still thriving at the hospital. I'm staying safe, doing what I'm supposed to do, and encouraging everyone around me to do the same. So today I'm going to show you how to thin your overseeded lettuce. Now you guys, we remember, I'm going to put you down in the ground with me. I planted all this on camera with you guys when we did the radish. And as you can see, look at the radish. I'm not sure if you can see up in there. Hoping you can. Down in here, you see those? We grew these together, you guys. Yes. You and I, you and I, you and I. We did it together. Oh, look at that beautiful purple one right here. Yeah, you guys. But today we're going to talk about thinning our lettuce. And the reason we want to thin it, because right now, you guys, we want to save all of our plants. You could go and snip this and eat it in a salad if you want to right now. But I want to maximize my yield. I want to take some of this lettuce and put it in containers, spread some around the rest of the yard, and keep it going. And I can come right out on the deck, snip a few pieces, make a nice little salad whenever I want. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. First thing you want to do is make sure this ground is super soaking wet, okay? So I'm going to move the camera back a little bit. I have the water hose on low. And of course, our lovely plane wants to come through every time we make a video. Do they want to be on camera with us, y'all? Okay, okay. So, just going to take my water hose and soak this down. Like I said, I have it on low. It must have a knot in it somewhere. Okay. We just want it on low. And get that knot out. Don't you hate it when your water hose gets that knot? So we're just gonna soak this down really good, so they'll be easier to come out. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. See, I'm just soaking this, and I have a container pre-made with cocoa coir and a little bit of regular soil. See, has holes at the bottom, and you want this soaked as well. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for being here. I love you. I hope you're being safe out here. You guys, so many people are going through so much. And we just have to pray. Grow your food. Stay safe. Do all you can to sustain yourself, you guys. So, let me bring you back closer. And you see how we planted these? And they're like really, really close together. But you can maximize this. You can get some of these out of here. So, this is just my way, okay? So don't, don't kill me for doing it differently than how you may do it. Because I see that I can go up under and pick up a whole stack, right? Then I'm going to gently, the camera on here? Yeah. See, just pick up that whole stack. See the roots down there? And you just want to gently separate. Because each one of these are separate plants, you guys. Yeah. Maximize your food, and right now is the time to really maximize. Come back. Hope I didn't mess up the lens. So then I'm going to put 2 on each side. Can you see that? Poke the hole down in there, and it's super soaked. Take your lettuce leaf and just sit it down in there like so. Sit it down in the hole. Take another one and plop it right down in the hole. And cover it back up all the way up to the leaf rim. I hope I'm getting this okay. Cover it back up to the leaf, all the way up to the leaf. Okay? Make about 2 more there. Here. And then on the ends. So we're going to have a total of 8. So again, we dug up a spot. We're going to separate these. Just take your time, gently separate. Just break the soil up crumbly. Let it kind of break itself up. Okay. Got it. Take our pot. Stick it right down in the hole like that. Cover it. And you've just transplanted your seedlings. And we started these from seeds, you guys. Look at things growing. Yes. So let's just separate these. This looks like it could be 2. Yep. See, they're so close together. And I overseeded just for this purpose. And then sometimes you can just take your finger and run over it like that. And it'll separate itself. But you just want to be super, super careful. This may be even 3 plants. Yep. But yeah, you guys, take your time. Take your time with your garden. Love your babies. See all that good root? We don't want to damage any of that. So I'm just going to take my time and let these kind of separate themselves. Sorry for the time. But it's okay. I enjoy being with you. I enjoy having you here. And see, eventually it'll just come right on the loose. Just come right on the loose by itself. Yep. Come right on the part like that. See, we got all that. And we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to pop these in there. Pop that down in there. Another one here. And see, just out of that one little patch we dug up, we got all these plants going on our container. I mean, on our patio. In our container, on our deck. Yeah. So make sure you cover all the way up to the leaf. All the way up. Okay. Prop them up. Give them a good start. Love on your babies. Okay. Then look, we got all these still in here. Just get one more. And there you have it. We have lettuce in the pot. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 more right there. Right smack in the middle. Okay. Since we have some already out. Yep, just went in there and put another one there. Get this little baby here. Give it a fighting chance. Just like that. And there you have it, you guys. We just transplanted some lettuce. And you see that little empty space? That's okay. Pop this one back in there. See these little babies? See all these little babies that's separated? Put them right back in the ground. Just like that. Little teeny babies. Put them right back where they were. And let them continue because they're already used to this soil. So you can just separate. It's that big boy there. Put him over here. Okay. So, just like that, you guys. You have tons of, look at that. All this lettuce. Growing your food, you guys. We have to grow our food. Things are getting serious. They're even talking about stop selling seeds because everybody is buying them. People have gouged up the prices. You guys be careful out here ordering online. Some of these places are scams. Somebody had a greenhouse online for $200. I was like, you know what? They ought to stop. At times like these, people are still trying to get your credit card information. So be careful, you guys. And you see all this lettuce? We have a lot of lettuce to do the same thing. Make multiple pots on our patio or deck, and we can spread the love throughout the yard. So yeah, you guys.